Lesson: AI in application behavior monitoring. AI has emerged as a transformative force in application behavior monitoring, offering unprecedented opportunities for enhancing application security. As organizations increasingly rely on complex software applications, the need for robust security measures has become paramount. Application behavior monitoring, powered by AI, provides cybersecurity professionals with the tools to detect, analyze, and respond to potential threats in real time. This lesson delves into actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications that professionals can implement to bolster their application security efforts. Application behavior monitoring involves observing and analyzing the behavior of software applications to identify anomalies or potential security threats. AI enhances this process by leveraging machine learning algorithms and data analytics to detect patterns and deviations that might indicate malicious activity. The integration of AI into application behavior monitoring offers several advantages, including improved accuracy, scalability, and the ability to process vast amounts of data efficiently. One of the primary benefits of AI in application behavior monitoring is its ability to automate the detection of anomalies. Traditional monitoring systems often rely on predefined rules and signatures to identify threats, which can be limiting in a dynamic threat landscape. AI-driven systems, on the other hand, use machine learning to learn from historical data and adapt to emerging threats. For instance, unsupervised learning algorithms can identify unusual patterns of application behavior without prior knowledge of what constitutes a threat. This capability is crucial for detecting zero-day exploits and other sophisticated attacks that may not match known signatures. Several practical tools and frameworks have been developed to facilitate the implementation of AI in application behavior monitoring. Splunk, for example, is a powerful tool that offers AI-driven insights and analytics for monitoring application behavior. It enables security teams to collect, index, and analyze machine data generated by applications, providing real-time visibility into potential security incidents. By leveraging Splunk's machine learning capabilities, organizations can proactively identify anomalies and respond to threats before they escalate. Another notable tool is Darktrace, which employs AI to detect and respond to cyber threats across digital environments. Darktrace's enterprise immune system uses machine learning to establish a baseline of normal behavior for each application and device within a network. When deviations from this baseline occur, the system generates alerts, allowing security teams to investigate and mitigate potential threats. Darktrace's AI capabilities enable it to identify subtle and sophisticated attacks that traditional security measures might miss. Implementing AI-driven application behavior monitoring involves several key steps. First, organizations must define the scope of their monitoring efforts and identify the applications and systems to be monitored. This step is critical for ensuring that monitoring efforts are focused and effective. Next, organizations need to collect and pre-process data from various sources, including application logs, network traffic, and user behavior. Data pre-processing may involve cleaning, normalizing, and transforming data to ensure that it is suitable for analysis. Once data is collected and pre-processed, organizations can apply machine learning algorithms to detect anomalies. Supervised learning methods, such as decision trees and support vector machines, can be used when labeled data is available. These methods require a dataset with known normal and abnormal behavior patterns to train the model. In contrast, unsupervised learning methods, such as clustering and anomaly detection algorithms, are suitable when labeled data is scarce or unavailable. These methods can identify patterns and group similar behaviors, allowing the system to flag deviations as potential threats. After detecting anomalies, it is essential to investigate and respond to potential threats. AI-driven tools often provide visualizations and dashboards to help security teams analyze and understand detected anomalies. These insights enable teams to prioritize and investigate alerts, reducing the risk of false positives and alert fatigue. Once a threat is confirmed, security teams can take appropriate actions, such as isolating affected systems, blocking malicious traffic, or applying patches and updates to vulnerable applications. To illustrate the effectiveness of AI-driven application behavior monitoring, consider the case of a financial institution that implemented Darktrace's AI technology. The institution experienced a sophisticated cyber attack that targeted its payment systems. Darktrace's AI detected unusual patterns of data transfer and alerted the security team to investigate further. The team discovered that an insider was exfiltrating sensitive financial data to an external server. Thanks to Darktrace's AI capabilities, the institution was able to identify and mitigate the threat before significant damage occurred. AI in application behavior monitoring is not without challenges. One of the primary concerns is the potential for bias in machine learning models. Bias can arise from various sources, including biased training data or biased algorithm design. It is crucial for organizations to carefully curate and validate their training datasets to minimize bias and ensure the accuracy of anomaly detection. Additionally, transparency and explainability of AI models are essential for gaining trust and understanding among security professionals. Another challenge is the need for skilled personnel to implement and manage AI-driven monitoring systems. Organizations must invest in training and upskilling their cybersecurity teams to effectively leverage AI tools and frameworks. Furthermore, as AI continues to evolve, staying abreast of the latest developments and best practices in AI-driven security is crucial for maintaining a robust security posture. In conclusion, AI has revolutionized application behavior monitoring by providing powerful tools and frameworks for detecting and mitigating security threats. Through automation, machine learning, and data analytics, AI-driven systems offer enhanced accuracy, scalability, and adaptability in monitoring application behavior. Practical tools such as Splunk and Darktrace exemplify the effectiveness of AI in real-world scenarios, enabling organizations to proactively identify and respond to potential threats. By following best practices and addressing challenges such as bias and the need for skilled personnel, organizations can harness the full potential of AI in application behavior monitoring to safeguard their digital assets and maintain a strong security posture.